Alright guys, we back out. Day number 7 on the zx6r. Trying to learn how to fucking wheelie this thing. As you might be able to tell, it looks a little different up here. I don't know if I've uploaded the video yet, but I did the clean air mod, and also cut the fairings, obviously, and installed some fucking adjustable clip-ons. So hopefully this will help with like the comfort and stuff, because the low clip-ons definitely feel weird for the clutch ups. So maybe this will help, maybe it won't, I don't know. But I'm definitely gonna need higher bars when I get to the point of putting a handbrake on here and doing stand-ups and shit. So figured it was time. But yeah, we're just gonna go back to practicing first gear clutch ups. See if we can hold balance point and stuff. And already I can tell that was the first wheelie I've ever done with these bars. It feels better, but because I've already spent 6 days on the Ninja, it feels weird in comparison to the clip-ons. It definitely is better though, so let's do some more. That was bad. I definitely feel like I have more leverage over the bike now, which is interesting. Yeah, it feels different. It's gonna take some getting used to, that's for sure. Windy. It doesn't, I guess there's a little bit of tree movement going on, but fuck, it feels super windy when I'm up there. Chop a tree down with what my throttle hand's doing right now. I can say the bike definitely feels a lot more playful with the higher handlebars. Definitely different, but not bad, not bad. Well, these bars are definitely feeling a little better. Turn my fan on down there. I think I like it. It's weird and different, and it's going to take a little getting used to, but so far I like it. This wind, man. Why is it so windy all the time? Hit the brake a little too hard there. fucking it right there. That was a little rockin' imbalance point. Another thing with the new bars is the clip-ons used to come out like right here, and they blocked quite a bit of that hole for looking. And now that I have these and they're farther forward, I have a bit bigger of a hole to look through. But you do have to be pretty fucking high up to be able to see anything through that hole. Alright, keep it slow. Alright, that was very bad. Try again. Playing around in balance point, just trying to, you know, get steady and trying to figure out how to turn. Man, it's kind of blowing me that way and scaring me. We're definitely getting there, boys. Getting a little more comfortable, that's for sure. Back and forth forever until you're good at it. Getting comfortable and clutching. Okay, that was bad. Came up really fast. Well, I guess that's good, but I'm not good enough yet. Jeez. Focus, James. Focus. Do a better job. Day 7 is going pretty good. I feel like I am definitely getting like better. Man, I'm trying to turn, but I just keep getting pushed over to the side. Wobbles. The wobbles aren't too bad though. I mean, like, it is wobbling, but I'm just kind of dealing with it, I guess. There's not really much that I seem to be able to do about it. It just kind of wobbles and you kind of just got to hold on. It is scary though. Gotta stay in the throttle on the clutch hip. Gotta stay in it. Oh, fuck. I do like these bars. This is definitely helping with the wheelies. Just way more comfortable than being fucking bent all the way down here all the time. Right. Do it. Oh my god, I was holding balance point, I was keeping a pretty steady speed. I even dropped back just a tiny bit and like hit the brake, and I heard the RPMs drop a little. Woo, we're fucking getting it, yeah. Oh my god, this is exciting. This bike, man, this fucking bike. I'm so excited to finally be getting close to being able to rock balance point on this. Oh man. All right, well, I think we're probably gonna do one run back and then we're gonna head home. I'm really excited about the progress I'm making on this bike, guys. I really appreciate you guys watching too. I'm happy to be able to share my excitement with anybody else who's interested, I guess. Yeah, let's see if we can do another real good one. Pretty good. We were playing around in balance point there, but started turning. All right. One more down the exit road. Maybe. We'll see. Wow, that one wasn't super good, but oh fuck. That's all right. Thanks again for watching, peeps. Oh, I think my handlebar came loose. It's crooked now. I must have forgotten to tighten it all the way. Nice. Well, all right. So yeah, that's going to be it for now. Thanks for watching. Peace.